Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Yoga helped me rebuild myself after suffering a brain hemorrhage at 28. A woman from North Belfast, Meghan McGreevy, suffered a brain hemorrhage at age 28 which changed her life. During her recovery, Meghan found that practicing yoga helped her rebuild her health both physically and mentally. Meghan wanted to bring the healing benefits of yoga and pilates to her local community in North Belfast, as she found many people had to travel across town to access these classes. 3 years ago, Meghan founded the Little Yogi Studio, and recently expanded by opening a reformer pilates studio called Studio 95. Meghan emphasizes the importance of a holistic, mind-body approach to healing and wellness, and aims to make her studios inclusive and accessible to people of all ages and abilities. She encourages people in North Belfast to try yoga and pilates as a way to take care of their physical and mental health, even if they have never tried it before. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.